Now we're gonna program the bird to die if it touches the tube. So let's say when or let's just play forever if then touching. How about we say touching the sprite 2 or tubes? I should rename them. We're going to then touching like 2. You're going to stop off. So that way it just stops the game, and you can find stop all here. Now let's test it. Play. So it's working pretty good. So now when we touch it, it stops off. But now, how about we make a broadcast block that tells you when the game is over? So let's call this game over. Great. And now we're gonna just make a game over screen. You can decorate it however much you want. I'm gonna just make it simple. Red. Make it how about handwriting or marker? No, just pixel. Let's say game in we're basically gonna fill it with black. Game over. Let's make it bigger. Let's make the outline a little bit more. Great. And so now when we're gonna hide, and then when we're gonna show is when we receive game over. Great. So let's test the whole thing, and let's hide the bird one. Okay. Play. Very nice. When we hit one of those, it says game over. Great. So that's part 4 of how to make a Flappy Bird game. And until the next tutorial of something comes out, bye.